told you I was gonna make this another video. Sorry about this bad lighting and bad like thingamajig because I'm going to show you my slime. Well, my slime area. Let's name it like that. And got my everyday bro demon sweater. So let's get right into it. I'm cutting my tablet so if you back calorie, you know why. And I don't have a camera. I've been using my tablet since I started YouTube. Oops, I think I zoomed in. Oh, okay. Sorry about bad lighting. I'll try to open the blinds outside to get some light. Oh, you don't have to see that. It's messy and kind of messy, so sorry about that. I mean, try to turn on the lights. See, that helps, but probably will not help. No, just wait a thing. So, what I have here, I keep zooming in and out. It's my slime thing, my slime mix, my slime smoothie. I can't remember. Slime smoothie, some plates, 2 plates, bowls, mixing tools, some baking soda. I'm trying to get a good idea. Baking soda, some glitter, and then other slime. And then some clear glue. Sorry about the noise that my brother dog. And then some glue. It didn't work nothing, so I turned it off. But potato glitter and the container, then baby oil, then food coloring, which I really have a flashlight, some mixing tools and a scissors, and there was my old slime thing, and then I got some new glues. Oh wait, okay, it's gonna be bad lighting, so get ready. I have my slime stuff. I have some glue, some borax, some laundry detergent, some more glue, and then here, you can't see it. Sorry about that. Is some more slimes. I really don't like this. Then now here is some more slimes. You could see. But you could probably not see. There's some slimes that I have. And then let's try and show you just a little bit more. You can kind of see some stuff, but there's some to that. And that's pretty it, because I can't show you that much. But that's basically it. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. Comment down below what else you want me to do next, and I will. Peace out.